See now. Very, very, very important concept. Square root by division method. Find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. Okay, that is a first question in exercise 6.4. All of you take page number. I don't have page number. Exercise 6.4, first question. I'm having only the questions with me. So find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. Okay, so now the procedure for finding the square root by division method is, see the first one, 2304. Screen is visible, children. Screen is visible, huh?
Yes,
Whether
ma'am.
the screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now you have to make two numbers as a pair from the right corner. From the right corner, two numbers you make a pair. So these two numbers are a pair, and these two numbers. So from right side, you should make two numbers as a pair. So 23, then okay. So from the right corner, you have to make two numbers as a pair. Now here, suppose if you have if it is a 3-digit number, these two numbers one pair, and this number you have to take it into account only a single number. Okay, 5 alone. 5 is one pair and 39 is one pair. Okay, so this is the procedure for taking the numbers in pairs in a square root division. Now after that, what you should do, now take this number. This is 23 now. 23 is a square number. For knowing the square number, you know, I told you to write on that day on the right hand side of your note. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25. Up to 10 tens are 100 you all have written, no? So now when you check here, 23 won't come. So less than 23, which is a square number, 16 is a square number, because after 16 you are getting only 25. So less than 23, 16 is the square number. So you should write 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. You write here 4 as well as here, because 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25. 25 is greater than this 23, so lesser than 23, which is the square number, 16. 4 fours are 16. Understood, children? Understood? 4 fours are 16. Now, when you subtract this 23 and 16, you will be getting 7. You will be getting 7. Now, you have to bring the next pair. What is the next pair? 0, 4. So when you bring down the 0, 4, now the newly formed number is 704. 704. Now, whatever number you are having on the top as a quotient, that should be multiplied by 2. The procedure is, whatever number you got on the quotient, that should be multiplied by 2. So when you multiply by 2, what happens? It becomes 8. So write 8 here. Then you should think of a digit, year digit. Year digit means, what is the meaning? One number. Only one number. That should be written here as well as here. Okay, it should be written. Whatever number you are representing here, same number you should represent here. Only one single number. So that when you combine this together, 2-digit number, these two, when you combine, you will get a 2-digit number. And here you will be getting one single digit number. When you multiply these two, you should try to get this one. So now you have got here 4, no? So what are all the square numbers? Units place you will be getting 4. What are all the square numbers? Units place you will be getting 4. 2 2s are 4. 8 8s are 64. 2 2s are 4. There 4 is possible. 8 8s are 64. There also 4 is possible. So when you try here with 2, 82 into 2 is nothing but what? Now this number becomes 82 and here you have written 2. I told you together these two digits should be multiplied with this single digit. So 82 into 2 is what? 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. You are getting only 164 instead of 704. So let us try with 8 because another possible chance what I told 2 2s are 4, 8 8s are 64. So let us try with 8. If I write here 8, now this number becomes 88. And here when you write 8, now this 88 should be multiplied with this 8. So 88 into 8, what is 88 into 8? You will be getting 704. 88 into 8 is 704. So when you subtract, you will be getting 0. Okay, when you subtract, you'll be getting 0. Now square root of 2304 is nothing but 48. Square root of 2304 is nothing but 48. Let me repeat once again. Children. We have to find out square root of 2304. So from the right corner, this and this 4 4s are 16. You have to write only the square number. Don't write here 4, here 2. It is not possible. Only square numbers because we are finding square root. So 4 4s are 16. When you subtract these two 7, you bring this pair down. Then whatever number here you are having, that should be multiplied by 2. So 4 2s are 8. Now you have to think of a number which should be written here as well as here. So now when you try with 2, you won't get 704. When you try with 8, now this number becomes 88. And here also, when you are writing 8 here, here also 8 should be written. 88 into 8 is nothing but 704. So the remainder is 0. Square root of 2304 is nothing but 48. This is the procedure for solving square root by division method. Okay, division method. Now let us try one more problem. If I do 2 or 3 sums, then you itself will give the answer. Okay, now we are moving on to second sum. What is second sum? Second sum 4489. I'm sorry, 4489. What is the first step? From the right corner, make a pair. So 44 is one pair. 89 is one pair. Whether 44 is a square number?
No,
Then
ma'am.
44. No. So less than 44, which is a square number?
Ma'am, 36.
36,
are.
ma'am.
6 6 are
36.
36. 7 7s are 49, children. 49 is greater than 44. So 6 6 are 36. What is 44 minus 36? Now you subtract. 44 minus 36 is
8.
8. Very good. Now bring this 89 here. Then what is the next step? Whatever number here you are having, that should be multiplied by 2. Okay. Whatever number here you have, no, that should be multiplied by what? 2. So 6 2s are what?
12.
6 2s are 12. Now, if we need 9 at the end, what are the possible digits? Possible square numbers? 3 3s are 9. Then 7 7s are 49. Am I correct, children? 7 7s are 49. So let us try with 7. 1 to, now this number becomes 127. When you are writing here 7, here also you should write 7. Now this 127 should be multiplied with 7. Multiply and check. 127 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 18. Balance 1. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So 889 is the answer. So the remainder is 0. So the remainder is 0. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
67. So square root of 4489 is nothing but 67. So what is the answer for square root of 4489? Answer is
59. 59.
67.
67.
67. Square root of 4489 is 67. Will you say the next sum? Are you all ready to give the answer for next sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, third sum is nothing but 3, 4, 8, 1 now. Okay. These two pair and these two pair. First of all, you should write the square number somewhere else on the right corner. Six six are 36. 7 sevens are 49. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81. Okay, let us write here. My board is so small. Okay. Now 34. 34 is not a square number. Less than 34, 25 only. We are
25, ma'am. 5
writing.
5s are 25.
5 5s are 25. So let us write here 5 as well as here. So 5 5s are 25. So balance how many when you subtract?
9, ma'am.
When you subtract what? Bring that 81 down. So now we got on the question 5. 5 should be multiplied by 2 children. 5
2.
2s are what?
10, ma'am. 10.
10. 10. What are the possible chance for 1? 1 ones are 1, 9
Ma'am,
nines are
81.
81.
81.
So
Yes, ma'am. 9 will come, ma'am.
if we are writing 1 here, 101 into 1 is nothing but 101. So we should write 9. 109 into 9. What is 109 into 9? 981. So that the remainder when you subtract, you will be getting 0. So square root of 3481 is nothing but 59.
59.
Square root of 3481 is nothing but 59. Clear? Clear?
Ma'am.
Now 529. See, for 529 is a 3-digit number. So these two make a pair and this is a single number will make a pair. This single number will be we have to consider this single digit now. So now 5 is not a square number. So lesser than 5, which is a square number? 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1. Bring this 29 down. Now, whatever number we have here, that should be multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. I am not telling about this number. I am
4.
telling you to consider only this number. So now 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 9. What are all possible digits for 9? 3 3s are 9. 7 7s are 49. Let us try with the 3 first. So 43 into 3 is nothing but 129. So we got the answer for square root of 529 is 23. Okay. Now somebody has to give the answer.
Shall I?
Rishi? Rishi, are you there? Rishi gets a left. Very good boy.
Ma'am, shall I?
Who is that, shall I?
Ma'am, Ramapriyan.
Raghapriya know the answer. I know. Ma'am, shall I?
Ma'am, shall I?
Ma'am.
Ilamaran.
Shall I?
Ilamaran.
Ma'am, shall I?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Ilamaran. Ilamaran, be ready, pa.
Okay, ma'am.
See, 3, 4, 8, 9. First make a pair, Ilamaran.
Ma'am, 3 4 1 pair. 8 9 1 pair, ma'am.
You should come from the right corner only, pa. Okay.
Okay.
See, if it's a 5-digit number, you should not make a pair from left. That is wrong. Okay, pa. Come from right corner, right
Yes,
corner.
ma'am.
Suppose if you have so 8 9 1 pair and
3
3
4
4
1
1
pair,
pair.
ma'am.
Okay, 34 is a square number,
No, ma'am.
So lesser than 34.
Ma'am, 5 5s are 25, ma'am.
That's all. Very good. When you subtract, what will you get?
Ma'am, 9, ma'am.
Now, what is the next step? Next step.
Ma'am, 5 2s are 10, ma'am.
Very good. Now you need 9. at the end. So what are the possible digits?
Ma'am, 3, 7,
And 3
9.
and 7. So which one you have to give a try?
Ma'am, 3,
Huh?
3.
3
Ma'am,
will you get? Will you get a 3? Suppose if I multiply by 7, what will happen?
ma'am,
That means this is not a square number. The
yes,
number
ma'am.
which I have given you, for example, it is not a square number. That's why you didn't get the answer. Remainder is 0 because when you write here no, again you will be getting 220. So when you multiply this by 2, what happens? Again you have to, for the next step, you have to proceed further. 57 should be multiplied by 2. Okay, so 7 twos are 14, balance 1, 5 twos are 10, 104. So 114. This 114, when you write 1, even 1, 1141, you will be getting 1141, but you got here 220. Here it is a 3-digit number, here it is a 4-digit number. So it is not possible, it is not a square number. Okay, children. So now, very good, Ilamaran. Good try. Next,
Thank you, ma'am.
shall I ask, who is ready?
9.
Who is that? Shall I? Reena gave the answer for book sum. Roshan. Roshan ready? Roshan. Roshan please. Unmute. Okay, Srajan. Srajan unmute pa. Srajan. Ready?
What, ma'am?
Find the answer for 576. First make a pair.
Your voice
Make
is
a pair.
cutting, ma'am.
Okay. Make a pair.
What, ma'am?
76 is one pair and 5 is a single number. Now, 5 is a square number. 5 is a square number.
Yes, ma'am.
Lesser than 5, which is a square number. 5 is not a square number. Lesser than 5, which is a square number.
4.
2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4, 1. Bring this 76. So this 2 we have to multiply by 2. So we will be getting 4. So we need 6 at the end. So what are the two possible digits for 6? 4 4s are 16 and 6 6 are 36. So let us try with 4 first. What is 44 into 4? What is 44 into 4? Multiply and tell me.
Ma'am,
So 44 into
176.
4. Yeah, you got 176. So the square root of 576 is nothing but 24. Children, any doubt? Any doubt in this? Thank you, Srijani. Reena.
Ma'am?
Reena. Reena, ready,
Ma'am?
Reena.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me. These two zeros and this one number. Okay? Ready, Reena? 9 is a perfect square, huh?
Yes.
9. 3 3s are you there?
Sir, 9.
Then 0, isn't it? When you take square root for two zeros, how many zero?
0
1 0.
0.
If you want, you can bring the 0 0. Or next step 3 2s are what? 6. What digit you should write here as well as here to get 0? If I write here 0, here also I should write 0. So the 60, when I multiply with 0, I will be getting the answer as 0. So 0 minus 0, again you will be getting 0. So square root of 900 is nothing but 30. Okay, children. 3, when I multiply, I will get 6. But I need the answer 0. When will I get the answer 0? If I'm writing here 0, here also 0. Now this number becomes 60. 60, when I multiply with 0, I'll get the answer as 0. 0 minus 0 is again the remainder is 0. So square root of 900 is 30. So this is somewhat different. That's why I did this problem. Any doubt? Any doubt in this? Divisions. Divisions. Next question goes to you.
Ma'am.
Ready, divisions.
It's a little level system, ma'am.
Your turn over. Hmm.
Ma'am, 3 3s are 9.
Hmm. Then, what number I should write here? Next step. What is the next step? This number should be multiplied by 2. What is 3 2s are?
6.
Now, if we need ones place 4, what are the two possible digits? 2 2s are 4.
2 2s are
Then
4 and
8 8s are 64. Am I correct? So first let us try with 2. Now 62 into 2. What is 62 into 2? 62 into 2 is
124.
yes. So we got 124. Remainder is 0. So square root of 1024 is 32. Okay, children. Any doubt in this? There is no doubt, no? Anybody have doubt? So there are 12 subdivisions in the first question. First 6 subdivision do in the classwork side and remaining 6 subdivision do in the homework side. Exercise 6.4, first sum, 12 subdivisions are there. First 6 subdivision in the classwork side and next 6 subdivision in the homework side. Stop recording division.